Welcome to Rhemabotics Maths class.
You're welcome to the Rhemabotics Math class. Beautiful. So we have on the board Bob's symbol for addition and subtraction of fractions. And this is the symbol. What is Bob? Bob represents Buma, Otoni, Merepiki. I know most of my students, they've been wondering the full meaning of Bob, okay? So I came up with this symbol, yes. And trust me, this is modified. I learned a lot from my own teachers, and all that, a lot of persons that taught me, and I had to modify what he gave to me. So when I did that, I put the arrows and I put the numbering and all that, okay? So you can see in my own symbol, there are arrows and I have what? Numbering, right? I will tell you what those numbers mean. Yes. So this is the symbol I use to solve or add fractions and also to subtract fractions. So let's go. Let's go. So first of all, let's do addition. Addition. And I'll first of all give you the principle. The principle is this. A over B plus C over D. Now, we are going to use the symbol. Watch. Now, you can see the numbering. I'm starting with 1. Yeah. So, starting with 1, I have A times D. Just be multiplying. Follow the arrows and multiply. A times D, AD plus B times C, BC over B times D, BD. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I'm going to do a quick example using this Bob symbol. A very quick example. Okay, let's look at an example quickly. 3 over 4 plus 1 over 5. Let's go. Use the symbol. Now there are other ways of solving, adding fractions, the LCM method and all that. But this is something that will make you get a value as fast as possible. Okay, when you're trying to sum it up as fast as possible, you can use this. But sometimes the numbers can be big and you have to start crushing them to the lowest step. But let's just look at what this method looks like and what it presents to us. If it's something we can use during exams. Okay, that doesn't mean you can't use LCM. LCM still works. But let's work with this for now. Let's see what this one gives to us. So we are multiplying this with first 3 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 times 4 is 4 over 4 times 5. Okay, maybe I should show you what I'm multiplying. Yes, someone needs that. Okay, let me do that for that person. Okay. I believe you're understanding right now, right? Let's go. So 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, and we have 4 times 1, which is 4. Then 4 times 5, which is 20. So let's go. So we have 15 plus 4 over 20. So we have 19 over what? 20. So that's for addition. You can go this way, and go this way. Now, for addition, the numbering does not really matter. If you go here first before you go here, anyone, if you want to go here first before you go this way, anyone works for addition. But let's see what happens in subtraction. Let's see what happens in subtraction. When it comes to subtraction, this is where the numbering is very, very important. For example, the same 3 over 4 minus 1 over 5. Let's see what happens here. So using the Bob symbol, don't forget this is 1. So I will do 3 times 5 minus 1 times 4 over 4 times 5. So that will give me 15 minus 4 over 20. That will give me 11 over 20. Beautiful. So imagine we not using the known brain and we just multiply anyhow we like. So try this first before this. You see you get 4 minus 15, and 4 minus 15 will give you minus 11. You have failed. You have failed this particular question. You have failed it. So you can't go any way. Yes, you have to go to the left first before you go to the what? Right. You can't just do it anyhow you like. When it comes to addition, you can do that for addition, but for subtraction, you cannot go anywhere you like. You have to go to the left first before you go to the right. Then you multiply the two denominators. So you can see why the known brain is very, very important, and this is why I came up with this symbol. Yes, as I said, it's modified. A lot of persons they know of this one. Yes, I know a lot of persons are aware of this. Yes, a lot of persons, but I had to modify it to this point, and that's why I called it the bulbs symbol. So thank you so much for being part of today's episode of the Rhemabotics math class, and see you on the next.